Hi, how to run Batch and Print Pro on Windows 11 as an NT service. So first of all, I'm going to set up a quick monitor and then set up as a service. So to do this, double click on the Batch and Print Pro. This is a trial version. I'm going to monitor this folder here for PDFs. So directory monitor setup. Put your folder, you can browse to it. Set your monitor to example 5 seconds. In this case, I'm just going to print .pdf. Set your printer. And that's it, all done, because you've got always check logs anyways. It won't repeat print. Click add to monitor list. Now I can click on here, save and exit. So that's set up now. So go into ntservice, start ntservice. So you see it going into running in config mode. That means it spawned another process for the NT service. So if I go into NT services, it should be in here under batch and print. Click on refresh. So it's there, Batch and Print Pro running. So it looks all good so far. Now if I go into logs, print log, view print log, you can see it's printed all these files in here already. So if I go on to printers, from print queue, you can see the prints waiting there to print what I've just printed. So that's great. So if I add another file to this, actually I'm going to do a copy and paste, and then it should put in that copy, which has picked it up already and printed it out. So that's great. So for troubleshooting, say if nothing prints, if you go into NT service, view NT service log, you can see if it's installed correctly, NT service. Also you can check in services to make sure it's there and actually running. If it's not there, then it's a problem with the installation of the service. Usually if it's like access code 5, and it's usually permissions. So you don't have admin permissions to actually install the service itself. So you can fix that various ways, but you could just run it in admin mode. Your settings won't be there because it's per user. And you can go to NT service, start NT service. Then go into services, and you can change the logon to the same account as when you set up Batch and Print Pro, as in the same account as what you logged into under your name, and then it will pick up the settings. Also, you could just run it as admin and set it up as admin. If you want to copy settings across to different users, you can save the monitor settings in here, and they can load them back in under another account name if you want to, and then it's under that account. So that's one way of trying to fix any problems. You can also open the folder containing settings, and you can change the permissions of the BPP NT service to run this program as administrator, and that will force it to install the service correctly. So there's a few options there. If you've got any problems, then email us at support@traction-software.co.uk. You can find the download of the free trial in this video description. Give it a try.